You're listening to Swing Brother Swing on Pushing Underground Radio, featuring the best in electro swing, vintage remix, new jazz, and ghetto swing.
Good evening, swingers, and welcome along to Swing Brother Swing. I'm your host, DJ Orson Welles, and I've got a great selection of music coming up for you today. To start things off, I'm going to play you a track from Smokey Bandits called Subway Hustler, and this is a remix by the Renegades of Jazz. Check it out.
This record is concerned with telling you and letting you hear something about what jazz is. Not in a music lesson way, but something about what jazz sounds like and why it sounds that way, and about some of the many people who played it and are playing it today. So it seems a good idea to begin by letting you hear these two sounds.
So that was the Renegades of Jazz Breaks remix of the Smokey Bandits tune Subway Hustler. What a great way to kick off the show. Now, as regular listeners to the show will attest, you can get in touch with me via Twitter. I am at DJ Awesome Wells. And if you want to tweet about this show in particular, then just use the hashtag SwingBrotherSwing. You can also get in touch with me via Facebook, facebook.com/DJ Awesome Wells. And you can also email me as well. My email address is pushingunderground@hotmail.co.uk. Now, on tonight's show, I've got a great selection of music for you. I'll be playing you a song from Sound Nomaden, as well as a great track by Mr. Edwardz. Later on, you'll hear from Mr. B, the Gentleman Rhymer, and I'm closing the show with a great cover by Skylar Stecker. Next up, though, we got a track from Mr. Profound. This is called Azucar. In the Netherlands. That was Mr. Profound, the track called Azucar. And you can find more work from Mr. Profound on SoundCloud. That particular track is from his EP, The Flux. Next up, we got a tune from Minimatic. This is called South American Joe.
for your watch, look out for your rings whenever he plays.
Was Minimatic with South American Joe. Now, Minimatic is from Cognac City in France, and you can find more music from him on SoundCloud. Now, don't forget, if you're a DJ or a producer, you're in a band or you're a solo artist, and you have music that you feel will be appropriate for this show, or indeed any of the other shows that I do throughout the week, then feel free to email me. My email address, again, is pushingunderground@hotmail.co.uk, and you can find that email address in the episode description. Next up, we got a track from Sound Nomaden, and this track is called Beautiful Music.